Esteemed viewers of YouTube, in this 27th session on Mysore Maharaja Sri Jaichamarajendra Odiyar's composition on account of his birth centenary, I am presenting his compositions one after another. Now, in this journey of Jaichamarajendra Odiyar's composition, in this 27th composition will be in the raga Shanmukha Priya. The Kriti of Jaichamarajendra Odiyar is Paripahimam Mahadevi Meenakshi. Paripahimam Mahadevi Meenakshi. Shanmukha Priya. In the Venkatamukhi school of thought, that is which Muthuswami Dikshita has followed, the raga name is Chamara. Here, in the raga Shanmukha Priya, Jaichamarajendra Odiyar has composed a very beautiful composition. Paripahimam Mahadevi Meenakshi. Directly it is he will take us to Madurai to get the blessings of Madurai Meenakshi. He has visited many times Madurai. So on account of that, Madurai, Kanchi, all these places, all the 108 Shakti Pitas in his lifetime he has visited. That is why we are very fortunate. We are getting this type of gems. That is why Muthuswami Dikshita, Tyagaraja, and Shama Shastri, Dasa Sahitya, we get lot of materials, many stalwarts, very great stalwarts. I give explanation. Only Jaichamarajendra Odiyar's composition 94. I am very proud to say, with the blessings of my Aradhya Devi Lalita Tripura Sundari, Sri Vidya Mate, and blessings of Jaichamarajendra Odiyar and Mysore Adidevata Chamundeshwari, I am the only one who has given so far, both in Kannada and English, the inner meaning and also guided, especially PhD, special guide, giving all the inner meanings in my own way, which has also been printed in book form. That is one thing which I am very proud to say that I proclaim. Nobody has done this, which I did it by the grace, by the blessings of my Aradhya Devi. That is for your kind submission with all humility and also proud. I say this, which I have written this in my book, which I have shown in my previous session. There in prologue, I have written that I am the only person I proclaimed with proud, I said. And also I have told there, I can play or sing all the 94 Kritis, though not professionally, but I can not only by writing the book, even I can sing for the demonstration purpose, but without the rhythm. Because I have not touched the rhythm, because I am not well versed in that. Openly I say it. But for the Sahitya part of it, and also the Srividya part of it, and also with Bhava and Bhakti part, I am really have done full justice in my own capacity. This is another proclamation which I did. I have written there, but I have not shown. But now the opportunity has come to me to show the world what I have written in the book which I have shown, which is in front of me. There I have written in prologue. So now that by the blessings of my Aradhya Devi Lalita Sundari, I could able to produce or present the kritis of Jai Chamarajendra today in my own way, with humbleness, not professional, with lot of devotion, of course. So now this Shanmuka Priya Kriti, Paripahima Mahadevi Meenakshi. So while I was quoting that Jai Chamarajendra Vadiyar has travelled all over, particularly the 108 Shakti Pitas. So he could able to compose 94 kritis. Out of that, 64 are Devi only. All of them are kritis and are in Sanskrit, full of Lalita Sahasranama, Lalita Trishati, Devi Kadgamala, and all the whatever Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, he has used freely, meaningfully, appropriately, that's with lot of devotion, of course. So here, why this preamble is, while analyzing the kriti, you will understand. Immediately he starts Paripahima. In so many kritis in 94, the word starts with Paripahima. Here, mom means not only he, Jachamara. Here, what he meant is entire human beings, entire mankind. And it's, I will be always repeating, every mankind should become kind man, because that is also one of his clarion call of Jai Chamarajendra Vadiyar. Paripahima Mahadevi Meenakshi Parijata Taruriva Mameshtartham Dehi. So as a king Ishtartha, see, we always do, while doing Ratakates, pujas, we do Sankalpa. What you exactly we want? Chaturveda Palapurushartha Siddhyartham Jape Viniyamana. We do like that. Here, he says in Pallavi Sahitya, Mamesh Mama Ishtartham Dehi. What else he could expect as a king? He wants Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu, Lokas Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu, Samasta Sarmangalani Bhavantu. That is what it has been presumed as a king, as a 25th king of Mysore. He did it. Because his palace is surrounded by many temples. So naturally, and he has travelled all the pilgrimages, he did it very well. So next, if you go to Anupallavi Sahitya, what all I have now proclaimed, you will get it one after another. Here he says, Parimala Pushpamarini. See, the fragrance of flowers. He has just as a Srividya Upasaka, how he inhales is the Srividya fragrance, that is called Parimala Pushpa Malini Patita Pavani. Then Karivadana, here Karivadana means Ganesha. Karivadana, even here clearly says Shanmuka Priya. Raga's name comes here. Karivadana Shanmuka Priya Janani Manini. Another thing for the information of the viewers, Jai Chamarajendra Vadiyar, though he has composed on Deva, Devis, even on Ganapati, he has not composed any kriti on Shanmuka. But indirectly, by composing in the Raga Shanmuka Priya, one Raga itself has been reserved for Shanmuka in the Raga Shanmuka Priya for the Devi kriti. That is the beauty of his composition. Karivadana Shanmuka Priya Janani Manini Karunya Sudhavahini Kadamba Vanavasini Katyayani Kalyana Gunashalini. In 4 lines, many things, it needs a lot of explanation. Once again, I repeat Anupallavi Sahitya. Parimala Pushpamalini Patita Pavani Karivadana Shanmuka Priya Janani Manini Karunya Sudhavahini Kadamba Vanavasini Katyayani Kalyana Gunashalini. So many Lalita Sahasranama Nama has come to his rescue to compose this Anupallavi Sahitya. Next, let me straight away go to Charnapush. Anadi Parashiva Sahite Bhakta Janahite. Again, Bhakti Priya, Bhakti Gamya, Bhakti Vashya, Bhayapaha, Shambhavi, Sharada Radhya, Charvani. Like that. The Lalita Sahasranama flows like a Ganges. Anadi Parashiva Sahite Bhakta Janahite Akara Anakara Rupayute Lalite. Straight away. Lalite is Sulalita for him. Lalite Anatha Paripalana Nirate Namaste Akarat Yakshara Samuhastite Girisute. You have to observe one beautiful thing here. Akara, 4 times here it has used Anadi, Akara, Anakara, Anatha Paripalana, Akara Yakshara. Like that. See, even for prosody also, the first line rhyme, Akara Prayoga, with lot of inner meaning indicated. Anadi Parashiva Sahite, Bhakta Janahite, Akara Nakara Rupayate, Lalite, Anatha Paripalana Nirate, Namaste, Akara Yakshara, Samuhastite, Girisute. In the Madhyamkala Sahitya, Sunada Vinoda Priye, Mahamaye, Aprameye. Again, Lalita Sahasranama. Sunada Vinoda Priye. As a composer, as a musician, Nada is most important in us. That too for Lalita, for whomsoever. Even if you don't know the language, music is a language which everybody can enjoy. Without the text even instrumental meaning, music is, if it is beautiful, without apaswara, even without knowing the technical jargon, which Gandhara comes, which raga it is, without that, immediately that's why it is called Apata Madura. See, immediately when it comes to your ears, when you listen, immediately you enjoy. This is why music is like that. He says, Sunada Vinoda Priye Mahamaye Aprameye Sanagadi Munige. Again he says, always he remembers in each composition, one or the other says, here, Sanaka Sanantana, Sanagadi Munige, and last word in this composition is his stamp, Sri Vidya. He ends with Sri Vidya, his pen name or mudra. Sunada Vinoda Priya, Mahamaye, Aprameye, Sanakadi Munigeye, Sri Vidya. Take that. Now, let me go to Kriti. 1 or 2 minutes I play Shanmuka Priya and then sing and also play along with it. This is the 56th Mela, Shanmuka Priya, as I have already said, in Mutswami Dikshita's famous Siddhivinayaka Vyavahara. Here, he uses the same Shanmuka Priya, same scale as Chamra. These are all additional information. Pa ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನಿ ಕರಿವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಸುಧಾ ವಾಹಿನಿ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಸುಧಾ ವಾಹಿನಿ ಕದಂಬ ವನವಾಸಿನಿ ಕಾತ್ಯಾಯನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಶಾಲಿನಿ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಸುಧಾ ವಾಹಿನಿ ಕದಂಬ ವನವಾಸಿನಿ ಕಾತ್ಯಾಯನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಶಾಲಿನಿ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಮಹಾದೇವಿ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ತರುರಿವ ಮಮ ಈತಾರ್ಥಂ ದೇಹಿ ಅನಾದಿ ಪರಜೀವ ಸಹಿತೆ ಭಕ್ತ ಜನಹಿತೆ ಅನಾದಿ ಪರಜೀವ ಸಹಿತೆ ಭಕ್ತ ಜನಹಿತೆ अनादि परशिव सहित भक्त जनहित आकार अनाकर रूपयुते ललित अनाथ परिपालन निरते नमस्ते अनाथ परिपालन निरते नमस्ते आकाराध्यक्षर समूह स्थित गिरिसुते आकाराध्यक्षर समूह स्थित गिरिसुते सुंदर विनोद प्रिय सुनद विनोद प्रिय महामाये सुनद विनोद प्रिय महामाये अप्रमेय सुनद विनोद प्रिय महामाये अप्रमेय सरकारी मुनिगे श्रीविद्ये सरकारी मुनिगे श्रीविद्ये सुनद विनोद प्रिय महामाये अप्रमेय सरकारी मुनिगे श्रीविद्ये सुनद विनोद प्रिय महामाये अप्रमेय सरकारी मुनिगे श्रीविद्ये सुनद विनोद प्रिय महामाये अप्रमेय सरकारी मुनिगे श्रीविद्ये 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 सुनद विनोद प्रिय महामाये अप्रमेय सरकारी मुनिगे श्रीविद्ये परिपाहि मां महादेवी मीनाक्षी पारिजाततरुरिव मम इष्टार्थं देहि 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 देवी. With this, this session concludes. Thank you very much. Let us meet in another session very shortly. Thank you.